Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're diving straight into the ultimate step-by-step blueprint for launching your very first Amazon KDP book, and then how to completely supercharge your income by scaling it with an affiliate marketing engine. Look, if you've ever wanted to build a passive digital income stream, but honestly just felt totally overwhelmed by where to even start, you are in the exact right place. We're going to break down the exact strategies top creators use to get their digital businesses off the ground. Here's a quick look at our roadmap for today. 1. The Amazon digital opportunity. 2. Finding your profitable niche. 3. Designing your KDP cover. 4. The KDP upload setup. And finally, 5. The affiliate marketing multiplier.
All right, let's kick things off with section 1, the Amazon digital opportunity.
Okay, let's smash the biggest misconception right out of the gate. You probably think you need to sit down and write a 300-page novel to succeed here, right? Well, you don't. A lot of people think KDP is just for established fiction authors, but for beginners, the real opportunity is actually in what are called functional books. We're talking password logbooks, word searches, Sudoku puzzles. Customers buy these to accomplish a specific task or just to get some screen-free entertainment. You aren't writing a story. You're assembling an interactive tool, which is infinitely easier and, frankly, way faster to create. Moving right along to section 2, finding your profitable niche. Imagine throwing a cup of water into the ocean. That is exactly what publishing a generic, general Sudoku book feels like. You're just gonna drown against the established sellers. There's no way around it. Instead, you've got to use keyword research tools like BookVolt to find A-rated, underserved themes. Take an ADHD-themed Sudoku book, for example, designed specifically to help focus the mind. By targeting specific high-intent searches like that, your book actually ranks organically because you are offering a highly unique solution to a specific audience that other sellers are just completely ignoring. Next up is section 3, designing your KDP cover. Listen, you absolutely do not need an art degree for this part, I promise. Your cover is what grabs the buyer's attention, and it's way easier to build than you might think. First, inside a tool like BookVolt, you just set your dimensions to a standard 6 by 9 inches and enable bleed. That's absolutely crucial because it ensures your background colors print right to the edge of the physical page without leaving those awkward, cheap-looking weight margins. Next, use a service like Placeit to grab unique, commercial-free graphics with transparent backgrounds so you can easily layer them onto your cover. Add some clear typography, maybe a relaxing background texture, and boom, you're set. And here is a massive pro tip. Build one really excellent cover, and then literally just use it as a template. Simply swap out the graphics and text for your next book, and you'll save so much time. All right, on to section 4, the KDP upload setup. We are in the back end now, and honestly, your attention to detail here is literally the difference between a published book and a rejected file. You have to be meticulous. The title you enter into the KDP dashboard absolutely must match the exact words written on your cover, or Amazon is going to kick it right back to you. You can totally use a pen name like your initials just to keep things professional. Double check that your setup matches your file, 6 by 9 size, 110 pages, and bleed enabled. Oh, and a massive perk here, utilizing Amazon's free ISBN assignment, that alone saves you from buying costly barcodes. Finally, here's a super helpful time-saving hack. You can easily generate an SEO-optimized book description by feeding a top competitor's format right into ChatGPT and just asking it to rewrite it for your specific niche. Now take a look at that net profit column. Notice the jump? When you first launch, pricing around $8.99 is fantastic for capturing initial sales, netting you about $2.18 per book at a 50% royalty rate. But once your book is consistently selling, simply creeping your launch price up by just one single dollar to $9.99 bumps you into Amazon's 60% royalty bracket. This drastically increases your net profit to $3.36 per sale. Now, a dollar difference might sound kind of small, but remember the power of infinite scale here. You have literally zero inventory costs, and Amazon prints and ships the book for you every single time someone hits buy. So, your digital product is live. It's completely passive. But you might be wondering, what if we want to aggressively multiply that income? How exactly do we build a promotional machine around it? Which brings us to section 5, the affiliate marketing multiplier. Okay, so day 1, you can use AI tools to quickly spin up a WordPress affiliate site on Hostinger. Easy enough. But here is the catch. A ticking clock starts immediately. Once you sign up for Amazon Associates, you have exactly 180 days to generate 3 qualifying sales through your links. If you beat this challenge, you unlock full API access. And that is a real game changer because it allows you to build incredibly high-converting, auto-updating comparison tables right on your website. Now, Amazon protects its ecosystem fiercely, so you really have to play by their rules if you want to keep your account safe. First, you must use clear, transparent links from their SiteStripe tool. Absolutely no hiding or cloaking them. You cannot list static prices in your articles. Amazon's prices fluctuate daily, right? So listing an outdated price ruins the customer experience, meaning you must use an API tool to auto-update them. Never, ever place links in offline materials like PDFs or private emails. And always include a clear disclosure telling your audience you earn a commission. This is where it gets really interesting. The niche you choose completely dictates your earnings, and it basically comes down to a game of volume versus high-ticket items. So which strategy fits you better? Luxury beauty pays a really fantastic 10% commission, but the items are generally cheaper, so you need high volume. PCs, on the other hand, only pay 2.5%. But think about it. Because a computer might cost $1,000, a single sale nets you a solid $25. Selecting a niche with a strategic balance of high order values or high commissions completely changes your overall earning potential. And just like with those KDP functional books we talked about, your affiliate website must aggressively niche down. Do not build a general dog website. Don't target someone just casually browsing for dogs. You want to target the person actively holding their credit card, searching Google for Yorkie airline-approved travel accessories. By doing this, you capture high-intent viewers who are actively looking to buy right now. Specificity is absolutely the ultimate key to conversion. At the end of the day, people are only going to click your links or buy your books for one single reason. You solved their problem and you provided value. You've got the blueprint now. The only question left is, which of these two engines are you going to build today? Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I'll see you in the next one.